Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for supporting me. Big up on yourself. So people no run come they quick and fast. But after the press news, people what kind of mix up passa there on the street. No sir. Yeah. So church mix up, church passa me go call it, because as me I say, as the days go on, it shows you say them are people I don't know Christians, it's you a real Christian. When you're looking at it good, you say I know a real Christian them, you know. Yeah, empty barrels make the most nice. Yeah, a Christian them. So people Tory come to bump picture on earth with crayon brown. Gayon brown. I think a crayon, but a Gayon brown. Right? Yeah, one picture out there with she and Curly. Me not talk too loud. Yeah, she and Curly picture out there. Me no come close, me no want to shout too loud. Yeah. Somebody post one picture and say, with one picture of she and Curly, I said, Curly and the woman who come out for 99, she had tried build her page. I'm coming with the evidence why she did what she did. So, Crayon, Gayon Brown repost the picture and say, obviously whoever posts this doesn't know me about build page. Find something else. This picture is over 9 years old. Come with the evidence. And so she said I must come with the evidence. So she me hear one run one corner, run one bend when the enemy friend say that the woman in that do charity. And it look like say she and Curly in that do charity too. And Curly say, when the big wigs then come along, it look like say she push out Curly. I saw me kind of want to get it. Yeah. So I saw. So a charity person. She and Curly in that friend. Yeah. So me did see where the friend and me did say, you remember this lady here, Marcia? So they made a friend. So this young woman a go on like say she was a Plankatarian, but she really Plankatarian now. She run out. Yeah. So as the person say, a page them want bill. Because since she a run out a whole heap of view she a get, you know. A whole heap of view she a get over there. And she all a sit down on live and eat like 99. And you see the other woman to the one that come up with the dream or the whatever she call it. She call it visual dream she get later night. She have one hat. You know see the hat, them are people obsessed. She have one little crochet hat look like a hat where the lady did have her when she did go all the shades of pink. You know see what me I see? I will leave eye me have third and fourth eye. Yeah. Yeah, she have one little hat like one crochet hat like her. Yeah. So there are people here. Then tormented, then they pan mix up page. I type up. See her over mix up page. Gayon Brown or whatever brown she name over there, type up. Yeah. Yeah, and that's why you have to judge and say them a Christian, because the way them come out like some warrior fight some war. Three of them come out. So, I saw me I go say, a mass, your friend them. Them believe in the obia. Yeah. I don't know about the other one, but I know say that one, yeah. The prayer and that gay and believe in it, because me, she say, if you take down her scarf off of the door, and it's like, say, them in a one thing, one war to bring down 99. I saw me see it. Yeah, then dep on a tear down campaign. If you bring her down. So moving on, people. Talk like boss. Run out panty girl. In a normal. Yeah, and defend. She defend 99. Yeah. She run out and she said, make the lady sell her cake because she can see Tina all over the place. I put out picture of the lady cake them. And I said they have what they put coloring and all kind of something in it. Me did say yesterday anyway. And then she put the picture, make it look, she know if you do the picture, make it look a certain way and people type all kind of something like that. So talk like, see it and run out on her and tell her to leave the lady bread alone, bread and butter alone, and go mix butter. Go mix butter and leave people alone. She too bad mind. Yeah, the lady I heard her honest bread. Yeah. But I mean, put up one post. I say me very confused with this talk lie because the part where me find a bit whatever when she say. The part me find strange is when she say stop trouble people. Yeah, that doesn't. Stop trouble people and they trouble you. Something like that. Stop trouble. Stop trouble people that don't trouble you. You're too bitter and bad mind. Yeah. And I'm me thinking to myself, this message is confusing because see, when she's saying to stop, leave the woman bread and butter alone and stop putting out them horrible pictures there. Tea girl, now I'm nothing better to do and she not bake no cake. Me no face say she have bake no cake. No business now go and she not have no money if you buy no mix. I see a picture them she put up from last year. So, but me thinking, but you, I say, stop trouble people and don't trouble you. But you, every minute you get on your platform and bring down the lady. So, how you pick up being? What a tea girl yeah. When you figure pick it out of your eye too. Because you are do it and you stop do it. You stop probably trouble our personal things as you put it. You probably stop do that now. Because you have baked too little cake now, so you stop talk about our cake. But you used to talk about it too. Yeah. So you stop do that. But you still there on your platform every minute that tear the woman down and call her scammer and all that something there. So what you saying, lady, no make sense. You don't make no sense at all. Yeah, you don't make no sense. So if you tell Tina to stop trouble people, you fi stop trouble her too. Because you can't say she make her honest bread. And when she make her honest bread and she not scam. She ever scam anything from you? Yes, she scam anything from anybody. So you still a bully. You still use a bullying tactic because you every minute you over here that do the same thing yesterday. Maybe you put out a picture of somebody, you don't know who, must have somebody come by your platform or blanker and you put out the woman picture here and the post then you're putting up and you still fasting with the lady. So make it make sense. I don't understand what you're trying to do. You know make sense, lady. May I go say. I'm moving on. Pretty. Pretty as she call herself. Mighty God. The people never call her. When they call her? Slowfie. So, Sophie slow bad, bad. Sophie say, man in the dark, leggy, I him have her page. Take down her page and have it. Really, Sophie? No, sir. So him a the CEO of Facebook. So him have your page, him have all the recordings them. So him have your page in him pocket or wherever him have it. No, sir, Sophie no understand nothing about YouTube, Facebook and all that. I don't know why she even bother have an account, because she don't understand say about copyright strike or anything. Yeah. She don't understand. Me no feel say she understand anything really. She just have these pages and she do whatever she want to do on it, and when she gets strike, she point her finger at certain people. And now she say somebody else now. She say him strike her, next minute she say him have her page. It don't make sense. No, it don't make sense. Sophie no make sense. And Sophie feels say she can build her page by cussing certain people, because she say when she do them things that she get followers. Yeah. So she cuss out the man over England, Your Majesty. She get followers. And she did apologize to him. Now she a cuss him, because Sophie have to be in a group. She has to be in a certain crowd. So now she a back Tina when she in the cuss out Tina a few months ago, and now she become Tina advocate now. I don't understand. Yeah, Sophie is very confused. Very, very confused. She don't know which way she stand up. She stand up on the left side or the right side. Yeah. Yeah, so that's me I go say me I feel laugh for me, Sophie say the man have her page, cause him have all of her videos. She don't know say this person is a librarian, keep her records, every video, everything him have over there. She don't understand the assignment. Poor Sophie. Yeah, poor Sophie. Sophie can't manage, but she wants to take on people. Make it make sense. Anyway, I just that me come to tell you the attack for the press news. And Fireman don't talk and she's out. Please like and share this video. Thanks for watching.